Hey, what's up everyone? It's Kelly Made Fishing here. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm out here at Lake Mcswain. They stocked trout yesterday, so we're just gonna come out here and see how we do. The water's actually pretty low. So yeah, you guys, first time I get behind the camera for you guys, so yeah, this is who I am. Alright everyone, follow along. Let's go do some fishing, alright? See how we do.
What BFS setup you using?
I'm using a Timu rod.
A Timu rod?
Yeah.
What reel?
With the Histar Aurora.
Histar?
Yeah.
Oh, so the whole Tamu setup?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, because I got the Toronto BFS. That shit doesn't catch like pretty much all tonight.
Nah.
Nah.
You probably just gotta adjust it.
No, yeah, no, it's not even adjusting it.
I mean, I've got the Shimano Aldebaran.
That's the one I'm trying to get. That one could actually catch
Yeah.
smaller lures. They're not really cheap. Ooh, that one.
Super small guy.
Yes, I do. You got another slipper.
TV slipper.
What are you throwing out?
Senkos?
Oh, from which ones?
What was that?
What kind of Senkos?
I'm just using the Bass Pro ones.
The Bass Pro ones?
Yeah. The 3-inch ones?
Yeah.
I just break them in half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of jig head or what weight?
I'm using 132.
132?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I want to buy that setup there. I've been looking for BFS.
I mean, it really just depends on the reel.
Yeah, you feel like you have the real how many
Yeah.
rod doesn't really matter.
This rod is kind of stiff.
Yeah.
There, first one. By the way, this is a Timu rod right here, the Creek Dance for Ocean Tribe. It's a 5'2", ultra light, but it's kind of on the stiffer side. Casting the 132 ounce with a half a piece of the 3-inch Senko in pumpkin color. These guys are super small. This is bass candy right here. There. Super small. Alright, so I switched over to the Argentum with the DMK Cheetah. Had a bite right there. There you go. It's a better one. I love how this rod bends. Some now right here. Right there, you guys. Super nice one. How did I miss? There you go. It's not done yet. Check that one out, you guys. It's a nice size one right there. Off that Senko. It's biting. There you go. That one was skyrocketing. It's a little baby. Right there, little guy. Super pretty though. Look at that. Yes, mommy. Okay, go over there, go. Careful. There you go. Airborne. Little fighter. Little baby though. Super pretty though. Check that out. Right here. Ouch.
Go get more.
Yeah, right now they're just close by the shore, so no need to cast far.
Who's getting shot? Or so what? Shot? Shot?
There you go.
Let's go do it. Let's go. Let's go do it. Let's go.
That one's a better, definitely a better fish right here.
How about over here? Why's that fishing going? Why?
It's a male right here. Look at those colors. Super nice one. Check that one out, you guys. Super nice one right there. Here and there. Alright, you guys. This one I'm going to be using right here. On the 132 ounce jig right here. Nah, just jigs. I'm using Senko's, the pumpkin color. Yeah. There. Yeah, we've been catching them. Some nice ones. Yeah.
I think all the nice ones are off this way.
I don't know.
All that way, nothing.
Oh, nah? Yeah, we're catching small ones and then some good ones, small ones.
All day, you know?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, how did I miss that? Double hookup. Yeah. Man, this bob bends so nice. Right in the nose. Right there, you guys. Don't do that. That's a good one right there. This is a pretty big one right here, Justin. Oh man. Watch out, Journey. Ooh.
Dang, look at that one. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh, I can't even hold it. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Daddy, what happened? Is the machine going?
What the hell?
No, Daddy did. Daddy got a big one. Yeah. Cause Daddy said no.
Why? Daddy let Soraya do it.
She didn't even ask.
Yeah, you're supposed to give it.
See? Daddy got a big one.
Oh my
Daddy
gosh.
sure let you done that one.
Look at that one. Yeah.
It's too big.
Super huge.
But I can't.
Oh. That one's probably like 5-6 pounds, maybe even more.
No,
On that little sinkhole
that's
right
big.
there.
Okay.
What type of lure are you using? Or what type of bait?
I'm using Senkos.
Oh.
It's all good. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, it's always good to go past different areas because sometimes the fish can move around too. Someone swimming over there. Here it comes. There's a whole bunch of fish in front of me, Justin. Oh my gosh. To your right there, Justin. A whole bunch of them. You love that song, huh? Little baby one.
Do it.
You want to let it go?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah, I'll let it go, okay? So your hand don't get yucky.
Bye, little fish.
You got water bear, hold on.
Yeah. See, I told you to go back and try that side. You didn't believe me. It's okay. It's almost time to go home anyways. It's biting. Whoa, my airborne. DFG plants right there. Yeah.
Let's make more. Water.
We got fish. A little one. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
See, Daddy's brother.
What the freak? Justin, this is a nice one right here too, bro.
Fuck, man.
Yeah. There. Right there, you guys.
Mom, catch me. Mom, catch me. Mom, catch me. Mom, catch me.
The empty plants right there.
Nope. Nope.
The big ones, you don't buy it directly.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. So that's gonna do it for this video right here. It was a really awesome day today. So if you guys didn't come out, you guys definitely missed out. We caught some pretty good sized fish today too. There's a couple of mine that I kept. Look at my hand. Pretty big. Nice sized ones. But yeah, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. And come out and come get them, guys. Lake Mcswain. Alright. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, everyone. Everybody take care. Catch you guys on the next one.